Hi guys, Heather Paris here and Claire Paris. We're here to give you one tip a month so that you can take care of your home in a quick and easy manner, just 5 minutes. So we have a lot to show you, so come on, let's go. Taking care of your grill is a great way to ensure that you can have your favorite summer barbecues. One way to do that is to make sure that everything is functioning properly in regards to the parts of your grill. So you have your line here. It's coming from your propane tank running out into your grill to provide the gas. One thing you want to always check is to ensure that there are no holes in that line. Sometimes rodents can chew on them, other times wear and tear will put a hole on it. If it is broken, you're going to want to remove it and replace it. Another thing to always ensure that you have a great summer barbecue is that you actually have propane. I know many times in my own personal experience, I go to grill and there's no actual propane in the tank. So one way to make sure it's always full is to first off, tighten that top lever as tight as you can to ensure that there's no propane able to be escaped. You're going to want to loosen this valve as best you can to the left, pull that off of the tank. Pull your tank out from the grill. Feels pretty light. You can usually know if it's full. It's heavier, doesn't feel like it has anything moving inside. Take it to your local gas station. They'll fill it for you, or we'll take your old tank and give you a new one that's full. Bring it back to your house. You can set it back into to the actual grill itself. Ensure that everything's lined up where it needs to be. You can get your valve back on here. Loosen up your tank and you're ready to grill. Enjoy your barbecues, guys.